Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, it's me, your girl, Antonia. So for today's video is we are here. Yeah, nandito kami sa isang resort. Yeah, one of my friend. Yeah, so makikita nyo naman sa title, no? And yeah, I am with the boys.
The boys.
Hi! Kumusta kayo, boys?
Karayo bo, pagduro bo.
Okay lang, pero mainit kasi.
Yeah, so we're here. Yeah. Hi, Dale. Hi, Dale.
Hawak ko kaya. Hi ko do.
Di open mo mo.
Palit nema. Bugna na niya?
Ano live ka? Oh.
Sinuhan na.
Pasok ko ang ma.
Inahay din kuno.
Ugma di open.
Hi, Kuya. Kabuutan, oy.
Bitaw ta.
Hi, Kuya. Pwede na ka magminyo, Kuya.
Ah,
Pwede na ta magminyo kay buutan kay ka.
sita ba, sita.
Buutan, oy. Yes, so for this video is I'm gonna tour you around. So one of the famous beautiful resort here in Oslo. Yeah, the Giswold Beach Resort. Yeah, so makikita nyo ito yung entrance nila. Yeah, so sa entrance pa lang makikita kasi this time we are facing coronavirus. Yeah, so sa entrance pa lang makikita nyo ang ito, hand washing station. So before you can go inside, yeah, you can see the hand washing station. Tapos may tubig, may alcohol. Yeah, so there's an alcohol here. And soap, tsaka tubig. Yeah, so safe. Everything is safe there. So lahat, makikita nyo sa pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo lahat. Every station is may alcohol. Wow. Yeah, and that's the owner. That's the owner of the resort. Yeah, she's cleaning the backyard. Yeah, so entrance pa lang to nakikita nyo. I'm gonna tour you around inside. Come on. Okay, hi, welcome. Nandito tayo ngayon sa part ng resort nila, which is the Sea View Resort. So Sea View Resort, makikita natin, so may dagat, di ba? Sea nga, di ba? Okay, so yeah, this is the Sea View Resort nila. Ang ganda. Ganda, ganda yung settings. Yeah. Yung view, sea view nga talaga. Yeah, so for this time is there is no people around, maybe because the people here in the resort is limitado lang. Yeah, so punta tayong dagat. So this is how beautiful the place is. Ay. Yeah, so the resort, the beach resort. No, the sea view resort. Yeah, so yeah, ito yung sea view resort nila. So if you want to eat something, date, pwede kayo dito. Yeah. Shells, of course. Yeah, so sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga ng kailangan talaga natin isaya yung sarili natin, no? Because everybody is maybe facing depression, not just in Mujo sa mga estudyante, pati na rin yung life. Yung anong life meron tayo ngayon because everything is under control dahil sa pandemic na nangyari. But yeah, you need to give yourself a chance to go somewhere, to visit some place in a safe way. Yeah, dito sa resort kasi, as you get in, so may ano yan? Yung thermometer test, ano ba yan tawag nun? Basta kukunan ka ng temperature, tapos may sign in, lahat. Wash your hands, tapos ano ba yan? Alcohol. Every time you go to a corner, you can see alcohol, so you can do how can I say? Yeah, you can clean your hands naman. So every place you go to in this resort is you can find alcohol, as I always say. Yeah, and that's how beautiful, and it's so overwhelming. So we're here for free. So everything is for free. So yeah, binigyan kami ng chance na maligo, kumain, and of course, yan, everything. So this time we are done with the Sea View Resort restaurant. Yeah, so I'm gonna tour you around in another place. Let's go. Yeah, and as you can see, this is the pool area. Yeah. So ito yung pool nila. 6.5 feet at saka 4 feet. So a child and an adults can enjoy so much. Yeah. So this is yung view nila. Itong view ng resort. Giswold Resort. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, my oldest, Edward, Romel, and my youngest, yeah, my Japanese. Konnichiwa. Yeah, so this is the beautiful place of Giswold Lagonde Resort. Yeah, so I'm running out of battery, so I'll just show you some places by just running the video. Okay, thank you so much.